Okay, welcome to the ECLessons.com. ECE is a Electronics and Communication Engineering. It is a very crucial department in engineering. So today we are going to discuss about a EDC. So in EDC we have chapter. For chapter 1 we have the basics of electronics. In basic of electronics we have different kinds of components like resistor, inductor and capacitor. So today we are going to discuss about a resistor. What is a resistor? Resistor is nothing but which opposes the flow of electrons in a circuit. So resistor can be drawn like this. So this is a resistor. So this is a resistor. So resistor which opposes the flow of electrons in the circuit. Resistor which opposes the flow of electrons in circuit. So for resistor, we can write a formula. Resistance can be calculated using a formula R equal to rho into L by A, where rho is a resistivity. So this resistivity depends on the material what we used in a resistor, and L is the length of the resistor, and A is the area of the resistor. In a sense, we can say it is a diameter also. If you take in a cross directional area of a resistor or a diameter. So using this formula we can calculate the resistor value of different kinds of resistors. And this is for resistor we have units defined as ohms, OHMS, and this can be symbol as like this. So this is the ohms which is used for symbol, and this is the ohm. So for example, we can define the resistor ohm as a values, different values: 10 ohms, 10 kilo ohms, or 10 micro ohms. So micro means we all know that 10 to the power of minus 6, and kilo means 10 to the power of 3. So this is all the basic formulas as we all know for engineering candidates, as engineering students. So this is the example. So now when we connect a resistor in series, what is the resistance equivalent in a series? So for this, see, like this we can draw in a series combination. This is called a series combination of resistor. So R1, R2. For R equivalent, we can just using the formula we can calculate the resistor value. So R equivalent equal to, in a series, for series, R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2. So this is the formula which is used for to calculate the resistance in a resistor circuit. For parallel, we can, this is parallel. For parallel, we can directly calculate using the formula R equivalent parallel equal to R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. So this is another formula to calculate the resistance in a parallel circuit. So for example, think we have some large number of components connected in a parallel like this for infinity or ladder type circuit. For this type of calculations, we can use R equivalent equal to R1 plus R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. So as we have to do for every two components, we have to multiply, and we have to calculate this resultant value with the another resistor. So this takes lot of time. So in order to eliminate this time consumption, we can directly take a key point. This key point is nothing but a when we connected the resistors in a ladder type circuit, so the total equivalent resistance will be least than the less resistance in the circuit, which means you can take the example like this resistor. So like this. So for R1 it is 10 ohms, for R2 it is 20 ohms, for R3 it is 30 ohms, for R4 it is 40 ohms. So R equivalent will be always less than the less resistance, which is below less 10 ohms. So this is the easy kind of key point which can be calculated for ourselves in the examination. So this is another formula for R equivalent in a parallel circuit, as is the resistor. So how to calculate the energy in a resistor? To calculate the energy in a resistor, so we have a formula E equal to integral of minus infinity to infinity VIA into dt. So this is the formula used to calculate the energy in a resistor. So this is all about a resistor.